It's the beautiful Hanover Preston Hollow in Dallas, Texas. Hi, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and my channel is Best Dallas Apartments. Wow, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous apartment. This is the way a high-rise should look. I mean, look at things like this built-in bar area with the wine fridge. Look at the wide space that you have here in the living room area. I love it. It doesn't feel cramped in any way. It feels like a luxurious home, and that's exactly what it is, except for you're not having to maintain it. Hanover is taking care of that for you. It's beautiful. Picture having your friends, your family, that special someone over here, enjoying some fantastic views. In this case, you've got a balcony, so you can enjoy views of the city. I see downtown Dallas right there, and it's in the middle of the gorgeous Preston Hollow area. All the best finish outs are here. You've got so much space. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 spots here easily that you can have people over with. You can have amazing parties. You can cook on your own also with what's here. That's gas. Beautiful appliances. Everything's new, nice, works perfectly. In this case, it's a 2-bedroom, so you also have a study. So the study is here too. Love seeing the study. This is a beautiful, perfect high-rise apartment, and you need to see it. What I'd recommend is my number's below. Send me a text. It's a free service. What we do is we'll connect you and get you a virtual tour. That's what I recommend, actually, a live virtual tour of the Hanover Preston Hollow so that you can see it even today or tomorrow, depending on the time of day you contact. And then we'll set that up for you. You're also free to ask questions anytime to me by text about the Hanover or about any of the other of the best Dallas apartments that we take care of. And we're happy to help you because we want to help you get your perfect apartment here in Dallas. Send me a text. Use the number below. It's the easiest, quickest way to get your perfect Dallas apartment.